In this tutorial, we will go over web limiting on LAN School for the teacher. The first thing we'd like to do is make sure we're on the proper channel for the cart or lab that we're going to be limiting. So we're going to go up to Administer, go to Preferences, and this will bring up our Preferences menu. We'll go down to Teacher Channel. Today we're going to be limiting the library. So the library is on Channel 1. So I'm going to change our 0 to Channel 1 here and click OK. And the program will find the computers that are on Channel 1 and bring them up. So now we're going to start limiting our web browsing for our students. So we'll go to the Limit Web button, right click or click on the arrow next to the icon. Go to Configure Web Limiting. There are certain things we can do in limiting the web. If we're working on papers, we can block all web browsing and make them focus on their papers. By doing that, we click the Block All button. If we want to allow certain websites for a user-specific experience on the internet, say you want kids to be on YouTube and that's it, we can click the Allowed Sites button here and type YouTube in. YouTube.com. If we click OK, hit Apple Command A to select all the computers in that lab group. Click on the Limit Web button again and go to Allow List. Now students can only go on YouTube. If they're not on YouTube, they will get a message saying that they need to be on YouTube. We're going to take that off and go back into our web limiting. Say you want them on any site that has Google in the URL. So sites.google.com, Gmail I think has Google in there. Just any site under the Google umbrella. We can type *Google*. This is going to create a wildcard saying, okay, anything between these stars that are in a URL, we're going to allow that URL to be accessed. So same thing, we're going to hit OK. Make sure all of our computers are selected, or if it's just one computer you want to do this to, select that one computer. Go to our Limit Web drop-down arrow and click the Allow list. You'll notice when web limitations happen, by the Allow list, see the earth with the little do not sign on there. That lets you know that it's been limited. And to delimit, you just click the icon. So now we're going to go over the block list. Say your students are doing research and you want them to have the wide use of the internet, but you don't want them to go to certain sites like YouTube, ESPN.com, things like that. We'll use the blocked websites icon feature. With that, we'll just type in the URL of the website we want blocked. Hit OK. Make sure the computers are selected that we want to limit. Click the drop-down arrow and click on Block List. Now it limits all those computers from accessing ESPN.com. To delimit it, we just simply deselect the icon. So now you should know how to limit web access for your students using LAN School.